Guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. So we normally start with a story, but this time we're actually starting with something that we discussed with our sales team, or with our buyers agents and our administrative team. Is how do we want to end the year, right? In our world, in real estate, everything is usually 30, 60 days out. So for helping a family buy a home or maybe even sell, it's going to take them 30 days to potentially get the keys or be able to get the money, their proceeds, right? So if we look at this and we say, okay, well, how do we want to end the year? We really have about 2 months, right, to finish the year off strong. That's all of October, all of November. Because if we help a family start purchasing it towards the end of November, it'll take the 30 days to end out the year. So we asked the whole team, hey, what is kind of your intention, whether it's business and personal, right? What do you want to see happen over the next really few months? And what's important about that is once you have focus on it and clarity around it, it's more likely to happen. So as I come to you, our team's goal as a whole is to help 20 families over the next really 2.5 months, either buy or sell. So if you're thinking about doing either buying or selling, please reach out to us. If you're thinking about buying, we have a home buyer workshop. If you're thinking about selling, we'll send you over a home evaluation. If you know us, we're no pressure at all, right? We'll get it over to you. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, then at least you have the information. So that's our message for the week. It's, again, just putting out in the universe our intentions as a team to help and serve to 20 families in the next couple of months. So with that said, let's get started. We want to start off by congratulating, almost on Monday, it's the official congratulations to Gabe and Gabriela. I'm sorry, Greg and Gabriela for successfully selling their house in Whittier and upgrading to a house in La Habra. They're closing escrow on Monday, this coming Monday, and then they'll be getting keys to their new house a few days after that. So congratulations, guys. A contingent sale. Obviously, they're not easy in this market with it being as competitive it is, but successfully was able to navigate through. So congratulations, guys. We also have a handful of properties that are on the market or about to hit the market. So you gotta get to hear it from me first here, or get to hear it here first. First is the one on La Forge, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,500 square feet. Remodeled, recent addition, I should say, master suite addition, was listed yesterday, I believe, or a couple days on the market. We'll have open house for this coming weekend. 725, again, 4-bedroom. We have the one on Coley. That was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the low 600s. I believe we had it at 640, I'm sorry. So that one might be going into escrow probably by the time you watch this. We had multiple offers. I think we had 7 or 8 offers. The family, I'll say it on here. The offer that we're probably going to be accepting is over $80,000, the original ask price, which is, again, insane. So congratulations to those sellers. We have the property on Westmont. We just updated the price. So I think that's an incredible neighborhood. Probably if we're not living where we are in Whittier, that would probably be one of our top choices when it comes to neighborhood. So it's a Palm Park neighborhood. Just really cute, charming neighborhood. Long established owners that live there, so you don't get as much turnover. So homes don't come up on the market, which is a good thing because people stay there a long time. It means there's a reason for them to stay there a long time. So we'll be having open house on that property as well. With this price adjustment, I believe we received an offer too. So I think by early next week it might be gone. We have one on Hester, which is just below the boulevard. That's being painted. The exterior is being painted. We have one in Boyle Heights, East LA, Boyle Heights area. So if you are interested in purchasing in that area, we have a home that's coming up on the market. We have one that's potentially coming on Starbuck, right below the boulevard. Bigger home, 2,300 square feet, 5-bedroom. Probably be priced in the low 8s, I would say. And then we also have one on Recon, which is near Sorensen Park in Whittier. And that's a 3-2, 2,300 and some change Spanish style home. Should be on the market probably by this time next week. So a bunch of homes, most of them in the city of Whittier. So if we're speaking to you there, please let us know. Again, our intention is to help those 20 families, and hopefully you are one of them. The other thing that's really exciting, and I'm pause here for a dramatic effect, is our pumpkin painting party that we had to put on hold last year. So we're renting a section of the pumpkin patch in the city of Whittier. We're going to cover the cost of pumpkins for our past clients only. We ask that you come hang out with us, paint some pumpkins. We'll bring the the treats, the be COVID friendly, individual packed, and all the other stuff that we need to do to make sure everyone's safe. So we'll do all that. We'll cover the cost. Just come hang out with us. It's October 20th. So if you're interested and you're one of our past clients, reply to this email or comment in the video. We'll probably be producing some additional kind of reminder videos as the event comes and it comes closer. We're somewhat limiting it because obviously with the circumstance that we're in. So if you are interested, please let us know right away. It's not one of those things where it's the last minute and be like, oh, can I go? We'll try our best to accommodate you, but if we get to a point where we hit capacity, we just unfortunately would have to say no. So if you're interested, October 20th in the evening time, it'll be a pumpkin painting party in the city of Whittier. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, again, our declaration of helping 20 families. So if it's you, we'd love the opportunity to help you, or maybe a family friend or coworker that we can chat to it. All the best. We'll see you soon. Bye.